Drive Tesla has now learned that Tesla Giga Berlin set a new single-day production record last week of around 550 cars, and now Tesla reportedly moves up plans for Giga Berlin's third shift after Cruise set new single-day production record. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and Gigafactory news. So Cruise at Giga Berlin have been able to increase production substantially in recent months, enough for Tesla to move up plans to add a third shift at the factory before the end of the year. We had earlier said that the third shift will come in December. Tesla has been celebrating the success of two of its new factories that opened this year, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. The electric car maker has shared some recent production updates on their new factory in Austin, most recently announcing it has surpassed 20,000 vehicles built at the end of October, after having revealed 10,000 Model Ys were built by mid-September. The last update from Tesla on Giga Berlin's production came in September, when Cruise at the factory built 2,000 cars in a single week, assuming a 100% uptime during the current 6-day work week at Giga Berlin. That put the factory's production at around 333 cars per day. Drive Tesla has now learned the factory, Giga Berlin, set a new single-day production record last week of around 550 cars, translating to a potential weekly production volume of around 3,300 cars. That's a lot. That high level of production puts Tesla closer to its goal of producing 5,000 cars per week at Giga Berlin, and it is enough for them to move up plans to add a third vehicle production shift at Giga Berlin. According to documentation seen by Drive Tesla, the third shift will start in mid-December. After originally hoping to add a third shift in December, Tesla had postponed those plans until early next year, but with the increased production and increased hiring have now moved up those plans up to be back on track for their original schedule. So please subscribe to this channel, because once it starts, I'm going to report it here. A third shift will give Tesla Giga Berlin 24 hours of production and should easily get the factory to its goal of 5,000 cars per week, although may not quite before that calendar rolls into 2023. So let's see when Tesla adds the third shift. Tesla Giga Berlin's third shift comes at a time when Tesla has already begun work to expand the factory. A large area to the north of the existing facilities has been cleared, and Tesla is planning to submit the permit applications for the first phase of the project before the end of the year. So when do you think the third shift will come at Giga Berlin? Let me know, friends, in the comment section. If you know more, let me know in the comment section again. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news. Give us thumbs up for this report. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.